watching this video. You guys have seen me put some braid tutorials and other different like updos, whatever, on Instagram, and I've been putting those on my IGTV, but now I'm going to try to start doing something new and try to put this on my YouTube, and I'll be creating a YouTube page to put the longer tutorials on there. Whatever you guys want to watch it on is fine with me, but today I'm going to show you how to get a full head of curls with using a flat iron straightener, whatever you want to call it. So I've already put heat protectant spray and my detangler in my hair. It's pretty thin, if you can tell, so stay tuned and let's get to it. So I'm going to start out by sectioning my hair. You're going to need some clips, whatever clips that you have, and you're going to need a comb. You're going to start by sectioning, parting your hair wherever you like your hair parted. So I'm going to do mine like a little, let's see, I'm going to give mine a side part. Doesn't have to be perfect, but once you get your parts done, then you're going to move to the back. So you're going to want to start in the back. Obviously it doesn't have to be a straight line, but I'm just going to take that clip, divide these top two sections into two, and pin these up. Alright, now that you've got your hair pinned up, you're going to comb out the section that you're about to start with. And I'd say if you're in a rush, then you could grab thicker sections, I guess. But I'm not really in a rush, so I think I'm going to go with a little bit smaller sections. Right. So now that you got your piece and you got your straightener on and it's hot, you're gonna go at the top, at the base of the hair. I count to 3. Make sure to get the base straightened out. And then you're gonna wrap the hair around and just pull slowly. Yes, I see smoke. It's because of the straightener that I have. All the way to the end, and just take your finger and help it. Boom. So now I'm just gonna continue, go to your next section. And do the same thing. Start at the top, count to 3, do 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna all the way down. And just help that curl. Boom! My hair's so short. I look like a little kid. So now going to the other side. Going in at the top. And all the way down. And help that curl. And boom, there's the back section, and there's my curls. It's hard to see, I have a black shirt on. I don't know why I wear black. But there's that. So you're just gonna continue. You can pick either side to start on. I'm just gonna pick this side. I'm just gonna brush out the tangles with my wet brush. And you're just gonna start taking your sections. and continue on with the rest of the head. Now I've already took the ones that I did curl and they're on this side. So let's try to keep those out the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed things up here because we kind of get the gist. And we're gonna see how it looks when everything is done. My hair's already curly as it is, so helps me just a little bit. All right, now I'm really gonna speed it up this time, I promise. Alright, as we're finishing up, I want to do these last 2 pieces really quick. Always remember to keep tension on that bottom piece when you're pulling, otherwise you're gonna have a weak curl. And after I finish, you're gonna make sure that your hair is cool. Do not mess with until it is all cool. Well, I mean, you can put hairspray, but don't go in with the comb and try to brush them out yet until everything's cool. If not, you're just gonna brush out the curl and it's no point. You're just wasting your time doing your whole head then. We're gonna sit here and let all this cool down, and then I'll show you what to do next. All right, so now that your hair is cool, I went ahead and put some hairspray in while I was letting it cool down, or you can put it on after, it's up to you. So you can either just leave it as it is and go, or you can take a big like wide tooth comb or a brush, your choice, or you can use your fingers and brush out the curls. I'm going to use my fingers. Let's see what it does. You don't want to go too hard, just soft, and brush out those curls. You can do an updo, add some clips, some hair bows, scrunchies, whatever, and spice it up a little. But for now, I am just gonna leave it just like this. Just finger comb it out. This one curl is just like, hello. I guess I'll leave you out then since you wanna stay. I'm gonna tuck this behind my ear, off it off a little bit. And you can add more hairspray, you can add whatever, texturizer if your hair is super thin. That will help you get a little volume in there and for your curls to stay a little longer. Alright, and so after it's finished, cooled down, you style it however you want. I just threw a couple bobby pins on both sides, right here and right here, just to pull it away from my face, pull some baby hairs down. If you have like bangs, whatever, face framing bangs, you can pull those out to soften the look up. Otherwise, this is pretty much it. If you want to pull it up in a half ponytail, whatever you want is fine. Otherwise, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. And as always, subscribe to my channel and continue to watch my tutorials on Instagram. But follow me on my Instagram. My personal account is kkim919, and my beauty page is Caitlin Nicole Beauty, and I will leave those down in the description below. And thank you again for watching.